What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. Coming at you from the middle of the Frio River at Garner State Park at Zuber's River Camp down here in Southwest Texas. It's a beautiful weekend. It's Mark's birthday. We're having a little big festival. Everybody's coming out. We're camping. They got rocks you can jump off of and trees you can climb, and the water's perfect. Oh, I missed it. Oh, that wasn't you? Mark's gonna jump off that rock in a minute. He's just getting used to the water. He's gonna go from way up there. And there he goes. It's deep over there. Anywho, we're just gonna party, so I'll throw some fun clips in here from the weekend, and more people are coming. It's only Friday, so it's gonna be pretty great. Let's go. What a fantastic day. Beautiful river. We ate all kinds of super good food. Just hanging out with the friends, the camaraderie. This beautiful lake, or river, beautiful river, the Frio River. Garner State Park right there, Old Baldy. So it's getting dark. The sun's already going down. We're losing the light. So that's gonna be the end of it for today. We'll catch you first thing in the morning. We're gonna start making breakfast, and you know, we'll do the typical coffee and breakfast, everybody hungover face, first thing in the morning. So we'll see you then. Day 2. Beautiful morning. Everybody's up. We're making breakfast now. Mark put the brisket on. We had our nice coffee this morning. They're making some kind of weird breakfast fried rice thing, and piles of bacon, hash browns, French toast. It's gonna be another fun-filled, calorie-filled day. Then we're gonna head on down to the river and do a little more swimming, come back, party it up tonight. Big barbecue for the birthday parties. We got three birthdays, I think, out here. Susie and Mark, somebody else, I don't know who, but big fiesta out here. So we're gonna do some good stuff today. We're gonna have lots of fun. Let's get back to the action. French toast. French toast. You mean freedom toast.
Boom. Those are the big ones. Those are all mine. Those are the Texas ones.
Freedom toast. What'd you make?
Breakfast fried rice.
Breakfast fried rice.
Ham, bacon, and eggs.
Breakfast fried rice. Doritos. All right, everybody, Sunday. Waking up a little bit later today. It was kind of a long night last night. Everybody's getting packed up, getting ready to head out. Gonna eat some delicious barbacoa breakfast that Mark's been cooking for 2 days. Brett and Susie still snoozing a little bit. That's all right. Here's the man, birthday guy.
Good morning, sir. How you doing?
Solid. Yeah, morning
Trying to
guy.
clean up. Trying to clean up.
Trying to clean up because we got to get out of here in like 15 minutes.
No, not 15 minutes. Nonsense.
And everybody made it out. Even old Frank and Buggy
Yeah,
showed up.
better day when you can drag my ass out.
Showed up late at night. Got some delicious food and slept in a chair.
Absolutely, and glad to be here.
Sounds like a party. Hacking it up. All right, we'll come back. We'll have a little breakfast, and it'll be the ride home. All right, gang, there was 400-mile round trip, a little bit more maybe. Super fun, right, kid?
Yep, super fun.
Super fun. We love Zuber's River Camp on the Frio. What a good time hanging out with our friends, right?
Yeah.
What'd you like best? S'mores and the river. Hanging out in the river, huh? Swimming all day, right? How about all that food?
Oh, the food was delicious.
Oh man, amazing food. It's always too much food, and it's like the best. We eat better camping than we do at home most of the time.
My favorite breakfast must have been French toast.
You like Tio Mark's French toast?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, thanks for watching, gang. Have a good afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Bye.
Hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell. Thanks for watching.